So it was about 3-4 months ago, July this year, that I entered a competition which was for a BMX. Actually, it was BMX spares, but it was over £1,000 worth of BMX spares. And this is parts, wheels, that whole thing. And I haven't had BMXs for many, many years, since my teens. In fact, here's a picture of me and my brother when we were younger. I'm on the PK Ripper, and he's on, I think it's a rally aero burner, something like that. Anyway, so that was us back in the 80s, and I just got back into it. I got another one this year, which is more of an 80s kind of retro style. But I really felt something about this competition that it was for me, it was right for me. So I entered it. So all I had to do was enter this competition with a company called Source BMX, online BMX bikes and parts, buy these vans, these van BMX shoes sponsored by a company called Demolition, who make really high quality, expensive but high quality BMX parts. And you're in there with a chance to win over £1,000 worth of all of these parts, including handlebars, seats, trick nuts, crank, headstock, the whole bit, everything that you could possibly want of the best parts to put on a bike. So anyway, I won. And what I wanted to do then was buy a really good frame to put all this lot together on to make it the best possible BMX. And this is what I got. So here it is. This is the result of what happened. And what I added was this frame, which is a full chrome moly frame to go with the forks and all the really good Demolition parts. It's a Voyager, I think it's a version 2, possibly version 3, whatever the latest one, it's that. I bought an Eclat, a fast trigger or something like that, brake lever on the front. I had to get some brakes because coming from the 80s, you know, this didn't come with any. So I went for a Demolition brakes. I changed the chain. This is the Shadow chain. It's a half link. Really cool, really strong. Yes, not cheap, but you know, I really wanted to do this whole thing justice. Being such quality parts, I wanted to make the whole thing amazing. I think if I added it all together, it's about 15, 16, 1700 quid's worth of BMX, which is awesome. But it's way over the top for me. I mean, it's lovely to have, and I feel really blessed and privileged to have been able to win this. The shoes are amazing, they're really comfortable, but I'm not going to see the best out of this, I don't think. So unless I get coaching, perhaps, you know, nearly 50, maybe that's not going to happen. I'd love for it to happen. I want to do a quarter pipe, I want to do 360 and all the rest of it. I can do some of them, but not all of them. I bust my knee earlier in the year as well, trying to do a quarter pipe on my other bike that you saw. So yeah, I'm over the moon with this. I'm just going to show you some close-up images, a little bit of B-roll on the bike and the parts because they're so cool. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe. If anyone seriously is in the market for something like this, it's hardly been ridden. It certainly hasn't been dropped or anything like that, or scraped. I haven't even put the trick nuts on it yet. It's been sat in the living room for the rest of the time since I've had it. So yeah, I mean, if you are in the market for one, then ping me a DM and you know, we'll have a chat about it. But anyway, enjoy this. I'll catch you in my next video.